Hello. Okay, I stopped watching Carl's video because I got an unexpected delivery. Last week I got an email saying that my boots were in process or production, which I thought they already were. So I didn't know if that meant that I would get them sooner or later. And it said I would get a shipping confirmation email. I didn't get a shipping confirmation email. Instead, I got boots. Sorry, I'm not wearing something, more festive or I already took a walk, and this is actually all sweaty, so you're getting mountain red instead. Okay, so if you've watched this channel at all before, I did a pre-video of this, and you would know that I hate unboxing videos typically. I can't enjoy unboxing videos very much because I haven't had a chance to wear the product. I haven't had a chance to test the product. I haven't had a chance to see if the things even fit, but this is an unboxing video, so I might do a more extensive video next week when it's not Christmas anymore and you might be paying more attention. So for now, yet another, hopefully not too much stopgap, and hopefully a video that you all find interesting, but you can see I'm not making this up. This is the box. These are the boots. This is the... Oops. And so this box is even nicer than that box. We'll use this box instead of that box for the background. If I can figure out how to open the box. Again, part of the reason I don't really like unboxing videos. So for those of you who complain that I talk too much and don't show the product enough, this is me trying to show you the product. And hopefully we don't run out of time before you all run out of interest. Because I can't get this thing open. There we go. EDC pocket kit, and there's like a printout that explains how to use the extra leather bits that I likely won't use. And little wrapping paper. I'm not sure where that leather stuff is. Okay, well, there's boot number 1. And here's boot number 2, full of all the goodies. Okay, so we've got the whites wrapping paper that's very festive and very pleasant, and we've got the whites box, which is not cooperating with me at all. But there you go. Handmade boots, Spokane, Washington, authentic. Trust the original. Okay, so let's do one boot at a time. And so we've got your basic mega shaft with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eyelets. Okay, so that's like 5 more than I really want, but we'll deal with it. Got this mega heel with, like, again, more of a cowboy kind of flat finish than a logger with the rugged grip, I guess. So yeah, it's basically what we expected, Probably a decent half city-ish boot, like like advertised. Again, I bought this more to see how the sizing is for future boots and whatnot than necessarily this being a 100% practical boot. And again, I don't have a lot of quality black boots. I think I have none until now. So the black eyelets, but you still have the kind of shreddy rivets going on here. See, this is something I do complain about, especially on the Grant Stone boots. There's one that has a really rough bit going on there, and I thought I had some steel files where I could kind of get in there and clean that up and not shred my laces, but I haven't had a chance to do that. I think I sold all those files at a yard sale, and now when I want them. A little bit more of the kind of not black showing around the seams and stuff, but I'm not a total stickler for an all black boot like Rose Anvil's, creator. Although this is a lot more prominent than I kind of expected. to see the brown maybe, but this is the contrast. And this leather in here, a rough out kind of deal. And so the smooth out, which I prefer. I'm not a big rough out outside exterior boot guy. I don't need my boots to necessarily last longer than I do. So we'll see how that goes. Again, I don't have any carpet here, so I can't try them on. I'll have to, do a follow-up. So let's go to the other one and show off some features. Okay, so these are your lace protector deals, also in black with a back, and there's kind of maybe you can see it better from the back. There's kind of a lace slit deal above these holes. Yeah, you can see it better there. So there's that. So I have to figure those out when I get around to it. Now the other pair of boots, if you saw the Drew's video, I had tried them on without the kilty things, and someone said, well, you got to put in the kilty things. It's like, dude, there was no way I was getting my foot into that boot, even with kilty things. That was going to literally do nothing, okay? So here I got some laces and some rawhides. Okay, so there's black rawhide and regular rawhide. Again, I don't know if I'm a super huge fan of the rawhide laces, so I might have to track down some extra pair of laces. I don't know what I have besides hockey laces that might work for that. I mean, I'm looking at the sizing. Now, I ordered the size that they said was correct on the website, and that looks small for my foot. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm just eyeballing it. I mean, the Drew's boot now, on the other hand, like I wish I still had them here so I could do a comparison, because that was like, they were like way out to here and ginormous toes. There you go. Better looking hand for the video. I mean, they had this super huge toe, but then up in here, like this was so narrow that it didn't matter how big this was. I was never getting my foot this far into the boot. And then once I did, they were just like way too long, way too huge. These, on the other hand, I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I can't try them on now because I don't have carpeting here. And then I assume this is the extra leather bits. Yeah, so that's this stuff. I don't know if I need to pull all this out because I'll probably never use any of it. Here's some twine. I assume I'm supposed to hire somebody to attach all this stuff, or I can do it myself with the tool. I'm not doing this by myself with the tool. No, I will definitely take this to a shoe guy if I ever decide I need this stuff. Okay. But there's included if you want it. Okay, so that's the boots, and that's my review, and sorry if it was too short and not comprehensive enough. Tune in next week, and I'm still going to talk about boots and other boots.